Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. We're going to create this object, and now that I think about it, it would make a pretty cool seamless pattern using the Shift tool and the Alt key. We're going to take a rectangle, doesn't really matter what size, and I'm going to hit P. I'm going to get my Shape tool, and I'm going to get rounded corners, and I'm going to round it off. Then I'm going to Control D, and I'm going to get my chamfer tool and change it to a chamfer. Then take one of them, and probably the last one you picked will be the new item. Hold down the Shift key, and it will grow equally from all sides. Now, Control D to make a duplicate, rotate it 90 degrees, and it's a little bit not big enough, so let's grab the whole thing and make it a little longer. Holding down the Shift key, it'll make it grow like that. Now Control D, and we're going to rotate it 90 degrees. Now holding down the Alt key along with your virtual segment delete key, and this would be a good practice when your hand-eye coordination is. So we hold down the Alt key, any line that I touch, and see I can do them all at one time. I don't know that I got that one. So I'm just going back, and then when I let go, it's clear. And when you take the Smart Fill tool and fill it in, you've created a new shape. And like I said, if we rotate this thing 45 degrees and let's left click, right click, and let's make it 4 inches. Whoop, had my ratio unlocked. So lock your ratio, make it 4 inches. And then let's take our nudge factor and set it on like 3.99. That'll overlap the lines, and I'm going to Control D and just make a couple of copies. Control D and then go down a couple of copies. And if we take all this and weld it, it gets rid of those lines because we overlapped them. So that's a pretty cool pattern. Really easy, really simple. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.